How to enable live streaming on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable live streaming on YouTube. So this process is done on PC, but once it's set up, you can also live stream from your phone. So make sure to watch until the end to learn how to enable this feature. So first of all, you have to open your Google and then go to youtube.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're there, click on your channel in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Then click on Channel, Status and Features that is highlighted in blue color in the middle of the screen. Now once you're in this page, click on the Settings option in the left-hand side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you will come across different options that is General, Channel, Upload Defaults, Permissions, Community and Agreements. From these options, you're supposed to go to Channel option that is between the General and Upload Defaults. Now go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Now go to Feature Eligibility. And here you will see three different features that is Standard, Intermediate, and Advanced features. Drag your attention to the intermediate features, where there is indication that videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. Click on this eligible option over here. And there, you have to verify your phone number first. So click on Verify Your Phone Number. Here you can choose to receive a verification code through an automated voice message or via text. I'll select the text option. Select your country and then your phone number. You will receive 6-digit verification code on your phone. Open your phone and enter the code. Click on Submit that is highlighted in blue color. And once you do this, you will see a message congratulating you that your YouTube channel is now verified. So now live streaming will be enabled within 24 hours, and after that you can live stream from either your phone or your PC. So this was all about it. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.